Making that the funding is coming from Khalistani elements. It's a very pointed question. Do you have a specific response to that?
Well, good evening. First of all, thank you so much for having me on your show, Madhavji. The place that we are all standing right now, the new Central Vista project, that itself has a corpus of 20,000 crore. This was built during the time of COVID when the entire country was battling with COVID. PM fund case, the corpus was how much? 10,000 crores. So allow me to speak. So please don't heckle.
But you're not responding to the pointed question. Ask him to respond to the point. You can make these points, but please respond to the specific. He's asked the same question twice, and neither of you have been able to respond.
I'm coming to the point. So Aam Aadmi Party is a party that believes do not do corruption. You know, this is a party wherein your ED, sir, who is acting at the behest of the BJP, has not been able to prove 1 rupee worth of corruption. Money charge, the proceeds of crime. Sir, proceeds of crime established करना होता है किसी भी crime के लिए 1 रुपया का money trail establish नहीं कर पाई आपकी ED. Sir, हुजूर 1 रुपये का money trail.
अभी सुनिएगा, अभी देता हूँ.
सर, आपकी नजर एक शेर ऐसे अगर आप इजाजत दें, अगर आप इजाजत दें.
Quickly complete your point. Complete your point quickly.
तू इधर उधर की बात ना कर. तू बता काफला क्यों लुटा? सर, काफला क्यों लुटा? आपकी ईडी, आपकी सीबीआई, आपकी इनकम टैक्स डिपार्टमेंट, कोई भी 1 रुपये का मनी ट्रेल.
You made your point. Huda Zariwala, you made your point. You made your point. RP Singh, quick response.
एक नाम है राजेंद्र सिंह सोलंकी, नाम दे रहा हूँ, बारदोई से, गुजरात से इलेक्शन लड़ रहे थे. 20 लाख रुपए नकदी पकड़ा गया. उनका साथ उनका ड्राइवर था. कल मेरा पैसा नहीं है. ये ड्राइवर आंगड़ी मतलब हवाला रैकेट करता है. ये दिल्ली से पैसे लेकर आता है. यहाँ पर गुजरात में जो कैंडिडेट उनको पैसा बांटता है. ये कंप्लेंट पुलिस में कंप्लेंट है. कृपा करके गूगल मारिए, चेक करिए, उस खिलाफ पुलिस कंप्लेंट है.
बताया कि मोदी सरकार 713 करोड़ से वो सिर्फ अपने एडवर्टाइजिंग पे.
One second. Huda Zariwala, 1 minute, please. It's a pointed charge that ED has not been able to prove the money trail is what AAP has repeatedly said. Please respond to the point that they've made.
Madhav, let me answer the specific charge. While it is good to do shero shairi, or it is good to have humor that AAP has done no corruption, it will not take away the legal liability. How do you prove that ED has failed? You would prove if the FIR gets squashed by the court, or it gets stayed by the court, or the charge sheet gets squashed or stayed by the court. What has happened? Don't interrupt me, ma'am. I didn't interrupt you. What has happened in this case is Mr. Manish Sisodia, he went all the way till Supreme Court, did not get bail, and the Supreme Court in the order recorded 338 crores. So there is a clear finding against him, and he did not get bail. That is on the excise scam. Now let us come on the foreign funding, because they are trying to. 1 second, please let me finish. Have some patience. I heard you out. Now let's come to the foreign funding scam. Please understand, I cannot list out the promises Aam Aadmi Party has broken, but one of the promises, along with not taking a house, Lal Batti culture, Parivarvad, putting the corrupt in jail, was transparent donor list. They removed their donor list in 2016. None less than Anna Hazare objected. They brought it back, and then they again removed it in 2018 and said, we will not bring this list back. So first be very clear on that. Now, stop heckling, please. Then let's come to what happened. When the income tax sent them a notice on their donor list, they came out and said it's an inadvertent error. They themselves agreed the list is not correct. Now what has happened in this case is every individual sitting here knows KYC. Even if you go to a bank, you have to give your phone number, you have to give your Aadhaar card, you have to give your documents. Here the allegation is money has come in on 1 passport, 1 mobile number, 1 email ID. Multiple IDs have been done. So please don't talk about timing, because timing is since 2016. Please answer, was unique ID being used for multiple entries, which is banned as per law, or was it not? That's a simple question to answer.
Please answer. Explain these multiple entries. How is it possible, Huda Zariwala, that the same passport 40 people apply, the same email ID 22 people apply, the same credit card is used by 8 people? Isn't that clearly raising suspicions of some kind of hiding of who the donors are?
So basically, this is not a new development. This is a case that has been ongoing for some time. This is not even a case, it's a non-issue to begin with. The list produced by Aam Aadmi Party to, the funding that came, every single rupee is in place, every single amount of money that was used for the election
They are saying
is
some of
right
the donors
out
have not
there.
been declared to the authorities. The donors whose names were been hidden. In a Canada fundraiser, for instance, there were some donors whose names were written on a piece of paper, and those details were not shared officially. That's a big charge.
Electoral bonds की तो list SBI release ही नहीं करना चाह रही थी. I mean, Supreme Court had to
Ma'am,
step
two
in to
wrongs
do
don't make a
that.
right. You can question them, but please answer these questions. There are some
Honest-
very serious violations
Okay.
on the face of it.
Okay, Aam Aadmi Party is not liable for a list that has been produced. There is no fact check to the list. You know, once the facts are stated for a point,
The donors
you
are
know,
to your party. How are you not liable?
Aam Aadmi Party has been a party that has been adhering only to honest politics, only to Janta development, only, you know, you see
Madhav.
the Delhi development model, you see the Punjab
I want to
development
discuss
model.
this
We do
debate.
not
It is
talk
a
about
debate and a
corruption.